I am here today with a Swedish Hasbeens unboxing. I have always liked the brand, but I've never really been able to afford it, and I just took advantage of their winter sale. Normally, when you look online, they are about $240 Canadian once you convert the euro, but I got them for about $100 Canadian. I was charged $20 for duty, which sucks, but I mean, with all that savings, like, it's kind of a drop in the bucket. Yeah, so this is just my experience with ordering from them. This video is about just like what you get when you order from them in Europe. You do get really fast shipping. I ordered this on a Thursday and got it on a Monday, so that's impressive. Thank you, Sweden. You're amazing. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. I've liked the brand forever. I've liked these shoes forever, but I've seen a couple bloggers with it, and my all-time favorite babe, Joanna Gaines, who I'm obsessed with, has some. So I'm not sure if she has a Swedish Hasbeens brand, but she has a bunch of clogs that are similar. So I needed to get some, and I was so excited that I found them on sale for 70% off, which is crazy. If the winter sale is still on when this goes live, I will post that below. And yeah, so let's get started. Let's open this. So inside is the brightest pink box. It's a box inside a box, which is pretty standard for shipping. I like that this is not any really extra packaging. Okay, inside I get that packing list, like what it is. And yeah, here we go. This is the brightest pink box ever. This is so cute. Actually, I'll give this to my kids to play with after. So, Swedish Hasbeens logo. And let's open them up. Okay, so I have a little tag. So this just has little information about the brand, talking about how all Hasbeens have been handmade. So that's really cool. Vegetable tan leather, wooden sole, rubber sole. So it's a bit of a care guide as well. Okay, and then has this really gorgeous graphic black and white packaging. Ooh, and each shoe is packaged separately. Okay, I'm like, whew, gotta calm down. This style is called the Kringlen. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it is this really beautiful open toe sandal. And I'm not sure, because they have different heights on their website. There's like a high, super high. I'm not sure where this fits in. It just says Kringlen, so this might be standard. What I do love about this, about a heel like this, is the platform. Because it has such a high platform, it doesn't feel like a big heel. Like the difference between this and the platform isn't too high that I wouldn't be able to walk in it. So this is, like they said, vegetable tan leather, and it is a really nice like matte leather, you can see. So pretty. And I ordered a size 38, which is an 8 Canadian. A couple of the reviews talked about how size up, so hopefully this will be the right size. Yeah, just so pretty. It says Swedish Hasbeens embossed on the back, and then on the heel on the inside you can see. So pretty. And then yeah, a rubber sole, which I really like. I used to be a footwear designer, so I really appreciate a rubber sole. It's really durable, and I won't slip and fall unless, well, due to the shoe anyway. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so this is the top view of the sandal. What I like so much about it is it does cover a lot of my toes, so if I don't have nail polish on, I did my nails just for this video, just for you guys, so hopefully you like them. But I feel like if my toes look terrible, then I can still get away with it, or I could just paint the front two. Yeah, I think they're really comfortable. They're really roomy in the toe, like not too roomy, but a lot roomier than I thought it would be. And my foot is on the second to first notch, the ankle. So I will cut in with what this looks like from the side. Snickers has joined us, but I have, that's Snickers. Hi, Snickers. I have a pretty thick ankle. Snickers, excuse me. Actually, you match my shoes. Hi, hi, hi. But I have a pretty thick ankle. So usually I'm on the last strap. I have some Valentino shoes and I'm on the last strap and I'm like, oh man. But these ones fit really nicely. So if you have a wider foot or a wider ankle, like this is a good shoe for you, I think. And it also cuts me on the thinnest part of my foot. So, cuts me, but like the straps are on the thinnest part of my foot. So I don't think my ankle looks as thick as I think it usually does. So I think these are beautiful. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Maybe I'll try them on with the dress just to show you. I have pretty athletic legs, but, and they're really white, so I apologize for how bright it will be. But yeah, I think these would be really flattering with a dress. Excuse me. Out. Okay. And this is what they look like with a dress. I really, really like them. This dress is from Target, just in case you're wondering. I'll link that below too. But yeah, like I said, I think they hit me at a flattering spot. These are hilarious. And they're so, yeah, they're so easy to walk in. I think I'm gonna walk in them the rest of the day. So we'll see if they truly are comfortable or if there's any pain points. But all in all, I like them. So that is it for my Swedish Hasbeens review. I would say they are comfortable. They're not too high. And if you're in between sizes, I would go up because I'm a 7.5 and I think these fit me perfectly lengthwise. But I'll do a cut-in again of me walking through them. But they're so cute and flattering. I'm really excited to have these. And I think they go both well with both dresses and with jeans.